Please sit. Who appears, please? The found is very serious. Yes, please. Mandeli, Kishinao. Did you fill your name? Register, did they fill their names? Yes. Number 5, 6, and 7. Yes. Your own name is okay. You wrote Adedotun. Yes, who appears with you? Yes. Defense Counsel. Yes, please.
My name is Kate Olawumi. A.T. Amayisa. Olawumi O.N.K. For the U and what happened? Eight meter. Alabu. C.D. Alato. So I have a demonstration.
Thank you. Yes. Register. You have an application to the file application ownership document. Look at the applications. Mobile presentation, music, 14th of September, file, 20th of September. Let me see. Mr. Shobu, no, you are muted. That's why we can't hear you. You are muted.
So, my Lord, we have a pending application before your Lordship. It's dated the 14th day of September 2024, but filed. My Lord, there being no objection, may I beg to move in terms of the motion paper and urge your Lordship to grant the prayers adumbrated therein. Much obliged. There is no. That is correct. Additional disobedience.
But on the part of the defendant, we have a motion on notice dated the 30th day of September 2024, my lord. My lord, the application seeks the order of your lordship, extending the time within which the applicant may file and serve 30th of September 2024, my lord. My lord, it was filed on the 3rd of October, my lord. The stamp of the National Industrial Court bears. What I didn't get it. Oh, my lord. The reply itself was filed on the 23rd of September, my lord.
My lord, I'm not objecting.
25th September. Lord, I beg to move in terms of the motion taken. I must go to my lord. I stop this. We're most grateful.
Yes, my lord. Subject to the overriding components of the court, we are ready to proceed with the trial.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we're ready.
My lord, there are two depositions for the claimants. My Lord, the first one is opposed to on the 18th day of March 2024 before the notary public, and on the 21st day of March before the commissioner of oath of this honorable court.
That's the first one.
Yes, that's the first one.
So what's the date it was filed there?
It was filed on the 21st of March 2024.
21st March.
Yes, 21 March 2024.
This one, we find it. Yes, ma'am. Okay, the
The
second
second
one.
one, 4th of July 2024.
Have you paid the cost? Did you pay the cost awarded against you on the last date?
No, it was awarded against my land friend and he has paid.
Okay, by the defendant.
As the court pleases.
Yes, swear the witness. Now have the file.
Where's the witness?
Okay.
One, next
Swear the witness. Okay, convict.
no, not the reply. I want the one keep out of the night.
Witness.
Sir?
Yeah, the registrar is about to swear you.
Okay, sir. It seems mic is not on.
His mic is on, but I don't know who is muted. Who is YOO's iPhone? Who is YOO?
Hello, that's
Yeah, YOO. Okay. Okay, speak again. Let me hear. Can you hear him now?
Sir, I will indulge the other
Please come and stay
participants
here. Come and stay here.
to mute their phone, sir.
Those whose phone ought to be muted are muted.
Okay,
Please
sir.
speak, please. Mr. Badu, kindly raise your right hand.
Yeah.
And repeat after me.
Okay.
Hi. Repeat after me. Hi. Can you hear him? He's muted himself. Can you unmute yourself? Thank you.
Yes,
so
sir.
speak to me. Repeat
Hi.
after me. Hi.
I,
Your name.
Gabriel Obadimu,
Affirm that the evidence I shall give
affirm that the evidence I shall give
in this case
in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
You, Mr. Gabriel Obadimu, you are hereby cautioned that if you tell a lie in your testimony in this proceeding or willfully mislead this court, you are liable to be prosecuted and if found guilty. You'll be seriously dealt with according to law. Do you understand this?
Yes, I do.
My Lord, the witness affirmed and caution pursuant to Section 206 of the Evidence Act.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. Witness, please tell this court your name.
I have the preliminaries. Can you proceed to
Okay.
adopt?
Thank you, my lord. Witness, you deposed to 2 written statements on oath before this honorable court.
Yes, I did.
The first one was deposed to on the 21st day of March, 2024.
Yes.
While the second one was deposed to on the 4th day of July, 2024.
That's true.
Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
If you see copies of those written depositions, will you be able to recognize them?
Yes, I will.
Yes.
So take a look at the written depositions and confirm to the court if those are the depositions you just referred to.
Does he not have a copy?
Okay. Take a look at your and
You can
confirm.
raise it up and then identify it the way he wants
Please
to.
identify those written depositions and confirm to the court if those are the written depositions you just identified before this court.
One is 18th date of March. I
No,
identified that.
21st day of March. You are reckoning with the date it was deposed before the court, please.
Okay, I can
21st
recognize
day of
it.
March, 2024.
Yes, recognized.
And the 4th day of July, 2024.
Yeah, I can recognize it, yes.
What would you like to do with those written depositions, please?
I want to adopt them as evidences in this case.
So you adopt the written depositions as evidence in this case.
Yes, I adopt them.
So witness, you refer to certain documents marked exhibits Oba 1, Oba 12 in your written deposition of the 21st March, 2024.
Yes. Yes.
If you see those documents, will you be able to recognize them?
I will.
Please take a look at the first one and identify to the court what document that is.
Please, can you move it closer?
Does he not have a copy, please?
Okay.
Any counsel.
As the copy.
Does he not have a copy?
Okay, please look at the documents marked Oba 1 to 12.
Hold on. Any counsel. Does he have copies?
He has copies, but we need to lay foundation with respect to some.
We have to look at his copies.
Okay.
That is the essence of ritual hearing. What you have, he must have.
As the copy.
So you ask him questions, he explains based on those. So you can lead him to those.
He has everything. So please look at the first exhibit, Oba 1. Identify to the court what that document is.
Yeah, the other one is a photocopy of my letter of employment given to me from by the first defendant, dated 21 December 2021. As I've lost the original copy in transit.
Dated.
What date is this document, please?
21, that's 21st December 2021.
Yes.
Where is your original?
He lost it in transit.
As the court pleases. Please go to Oba 2. Identify to the court with the date, what document it is.
Yeah, Oba 2 is the letter of termination the defendant gave me, dated 1st of March 2023. And it was sent to me by email. So it's a printout from the email. So I don't have the original copies.
So go to Oba 3, please.
Oba 3 is the mail I sent to the defendant. Is the mail I sent to the defendant.
Mail of what date?
Dated 3rd of March.
Go to Oba 4.
3rd of March of what year?
3rd of March what year?
Sorry, 3rd of March 2023.
Go to Oba 4.
Oba 4 is the response of the first defendant to my mail. Is an email also dated 3rd of March 2023.
Go to Oba 5.
Oba 5 also is another mail sent by the defendant to me in response to that my same mail of 3rd of March 2023. It was also sent 3rd of March 2023.
Go to Oba 4.
Oba.
Sorry. Go to the next one. I think that's Oba 6.
Sorry, Oba 6 is the mail sent by the defendant at on March 3rd, 2023, by 6:44 p.m. in response to my mail sent earlier that day also.
Okay. Go to Oba 7.
Oba 7 is the mail sent by my lawyer to the defendant.
Mail or letter?
It's a letter, sorry, a letter sent by my lawyer to the defendant on March 24th, 2023.
Please.
24th was
24th March 2023.
yes.
But go to Oba 8, please.
Oba 8 is the email that the defendant sent to my guarantor. That was sent on March 29th, 2023.
29th what?
29th March 2023. It was sent to my guarantor via email.
Go to Oba. Oba 9.
Oba 9.
That's what he just called. Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
Identify problems.
I didn't get you, sir.
Go to Oba 9. Identify the document to the court.
Okay. Oba 9 is a response of my guarantor via email to the defendant. It was sent on April 3rd, 2023.
Go to Oba 10.
Oba 10 is my Guarantee Trust Bank statement of account, a statement summary of 4th July 2022.
Okay. Go to Oba 11.
Oba 11 is the letter my lawyer wrote to the defendant on April 11th, 2023.
Oba 11 is a letter written by a lawyer to the defendant dated 11th April 2023.
Yeah.
Go to Oba 12.
Oba 12 is the letter my lawyer wrote to the DPO of Morocco Police Station dated 11th day of April 2023.
Sorry to take you back. Where is the original of Oba 11?
Oba 11. The original of Oba 11 is with the defendant. So the copy we have here is the acknowledged copy from the defendant.
So
Yes.
how about the original of Oba 12?
The original of Oba 12 is with them at the Morocco Police Station.
Now you refer to certain emails in your testimony before this court this morning. Do you have any documents in respect of those emails?
Yes, I have.
So what document is that? Please identify it to the court with the dates.
The document I have as per the email
Is
I can't hear you well, sir.
there is a you refer to certain emails
Yeah.
as exhibits before this court. Do you have any document backing them up?
Yeah, I have the certificate of identification.
It's of what date?
For those I mentioned earlier, that certificate was sworn to on 18th of March, 2024.
Yes.
Now, in your second deposition of the 4th of July 2024, you also refer to certain documents marked Oba 13 to 18.
Yeah.
Please identify those documents to the court.
Okay. Oba 13 is the is my email response.
You say Oba, is it OBA?
OBA. Yeah.
Oba is in King in Yoruba.
Oba 13 is my email response to an allegation of absenteeism, unauthorized absence from work. And that response was sent on 1st of March 2023 via email. So
Hold on, the court is recording. Okay, go ahead.
To the HR team of the first defendant and the executive director services of the first defendant. And the second defendant himself also is in copy of the mail.
Now,
Oba 14
Go on, please.
Oba 14.
Oba 14 is my response to a query that was sent to me and query titled Gross Misconduct during appraisal. The response was sent dated March 1st, 2023. It was sent to the HR of the first defendant and to the EDR services of the first defendant and also to the second defendant himself.
Okay, go to OBA 15.
OBA 15 is a mail that I sent to the second defendant, dated re-offer of employment. I forwarded the mail to him, dated February 11, 2022.
Okay.
Then OBA
Go
16.
Please go to OBA 16 now.
OBA 16 is a mail I replied to, dated 29th December 2021, and it was sent to the HR of the first defendant. OBA 17 is also a mail, from the first defendant via the HR officer, dated 23rd December 2021, sent to me, titled Re-Offer of Employment. The OBA 18 is a correspondence email also from me to the first defendant in response to the offer of employment, dated 23rd December 2021. I think that is about all the emails.
Now, we refer to a petition.
Then, lastly, the petition
written against you by the defendants.
Yeah, the last document is the petition that the defendant wrote to the police of to the Nigerian police, fictitiously alleging that I stole a vehicle.
No, I'm saying, what steps did you take to get that petition?
Yeah, we've through my lawyer, we have issued a subpoena on the Nigerian police and also to the defendant, to the first defendant, to provide the original copy of the petition, which is dated, the subpoena was dated 21st August 2024. And both have been, both have refused to produce.
Please state the date again, please.
It was dated 21st August 2024. That's a subpoena that was issued.
Yes.
But both have refused to produce the document.
My Lord, we issue a notice to produce that petition on the defendants. We are yet to oblige them.
I'm sure you were here when I read the judgment this morning.
Yes, yes, yes.
There's no obligation.
My Lord,
entitled you to use a photocopy if you have.
That's the purpose.
But the appropriate thing to have done is subpoena ducis tecum
My
to the
Lord,
appropriate authority.
My Lord, we issued a subpoena and
Have you paid?
we paid we took all the steps, but unfortunately the police did not oblige us. The subpoena is before your lordship. So my Lord, in the circumstance, we are constrained to rely on the photocopy that we have.
Yes.
So, witness, can you identify the petition to the court?
Yes, I can.
Please go ahead.
Has already identified it. What do you want him to identify again?
You reference the date of the petition
That's not material.
as a
Don't you have the
document.
document?
My lord, in the circumstance, we also seek to tender the petition dated 19th April 2023.
That's the only thing you are tendering.
My lord?
That's the only document you are tendering.
My lord, I want to tender it together with the... No, we seek to tender all the documents. All the documents. And the petition.
Can we have the documents, please? Send us out to God counsel for 2 years. Report to the seat at 10:30. Send us a message to the send it to the left. 10:30. Send it. Are those all the documents you seek to
Those are all
tender
the documents.
from number 1 to 18?
Yes. But the petition is not marked because we're hoping the police will bring it.
It is part of the document. You've
Part
told
of
us
it,
there.
yes,
That's all we need to know.
as the court pleases.
Mr. Oshobu, can you mute yourself while Mr. Olawumi will
As the court
unmute
pleases.
himself? If you have any objections, reserve it for your final answer.
There's only one document that I don't seem to have seen. I'm just trying to check.
Thank you. Yes, please. It's fine. Yes. over 1822. Why are the documents bound together? Are you considering it as one document? Because if you are marked, I can't see the marking on it. You're supposed to have sent us a copy of the marked document. So how do we now differentiate between the documents? Please, Mr. Phillips. That one again. Yes. Registrar, what's the problem? Mr. Solo, so I don't have all the time. It's already almost 11:30. I'll give you an adjournment. Well, I guess you're not ready for your trial. Please allow me, I'm going to adjourn this case regrettably. I have other matters I had to skip to hear this because it is a virtual hearing. And we are losing close to 10 minutes just doing what ought to have been done before. The essence of virtual trial, all the documents are ready and parties just move.
That's unfortunate because we are from their mistakes. You would rearrange the document in such a way that the witness statements will be on top, followed by the list of documents, and all the documents are in serial sync. And the last one will be the certificate. Because he was a long time.
Registrar, where is the bundle you took to him? Can I have the bundle? Where's the original, the initial bundle? Yes, can I have it? Can I have all the documents in that bundle? All the documents in that bundle you took to him, can you bring it back? Please, registrar. Are those the documents you took away from here? You are sure? Yes. Mhm.
This is it as a document. What did you use that for the document?
Yes. That is. This is to be there. Okay. Several things. No, I have to go back to the you see, that is foundation data. So, foundation is which is virtual. Stability. This infrastructure. Yes. Okay. Something. Just the doctor do. We don't visit it. We have to get it. Injustice. Injustice. Just. The bank statement is a page. Yes, that's the bad thing. Mhm. Mhm. So, if this is supposed to be mine, then we get the hand. This is something. This is this is difficult. And this is say that for me. The documents are received in evidence and marked as follows. Employment letter exhibit 1, termination letter 2, claimant solicitors letter dated 24th March 2024, exhibit 3, email of 29th March 2023, exhibit 4, email of 3rd April 2023, exhibit 5, email and letter dated 3rd March 2023, exhibit 6, email of 3rd March 2023 by defendants HRM, exhibit, email of 3rd March 2023 from defendants HRM, exhibit 8, GT Bank statement of account, exhibit 9, claimant solicitors letter to first defendant, exhibit 10, claimant solicitors letter dated 11th April 2023 to Maroko Police Station, exhibit 11, certificate of identification dated 18th March 2024, exhibit 12, emails of 1st March 2023, exhibit 13, email communications of 28th February 2023, 11th February 2022, 29th December 2021, 23rd December 2021, and certificate of authentication dated 4th July 2024, respectively marked exhibits 14, 14A, 14B, and 14C. First defendant's petition to Area Commander Lion Building, exhibit 15. Any more? Claimant's counsel. You have to mute yourself for him to hear you.
Yes, my lord. Witness.
Yep. Yes.
What will you like this court to do for you?
I want the court to grant my prayers as stated in my statement of fact and my complaints.
My lord, that will be all for the witness in examination in chief. I'm grateful for your lordship's indulgence and I apologize for the tardiness in presenting the documents. Much obliged.
Yes, cross-examination, how many minutes?
There are several documents.
Actually, very few documents.
Yes, and they are filed, and we also filed on the
So how many minutes? No, I'll give you, this is 17 minutes to 12. So take that 17 minutes.
17 minutes is not.
It will just start 17 minutes.
Can I have the money?
Please forward documents to counsel.
Good afternoon, Mr. Baba. Good morning, Mr. Baba. Good morning, can you hear me?
It's still the same time as here.
Can you hear me?
Can you speak up, please?
Can I what?
Okay, I can hear now. I can hear you now.
Okay,
So,
so
Mr. Baba, can you please tell the court?
You may need to, are you using a laptop or a phone?
I'm using my phone.
So you may have to bring it closer, because of our network.
I hope people can see my face.
I can see your face. You
my-
actually hold it. You can hold it.
I will be all over the place because I need to look at documents as well.
Okay.
So, Mr. Badimu, tell me exactly the date you resumed the first defendant.
The date I did what?
The date you resumed your employment with the first defendant.
The date I left the employment of the first defendant, you said, right?
The day you resumed.
The date I resumed. My employment letter stated that I'm to resume.
Mr. Badimu, I did not ask you the date on your employment letter. I asked you the date you resumed.
I resumed 1st of February, 2022.
1st of February 2022.
Yeah, yes.
And my Lord, I don't know what I'm
No, please.
I just want to know my
Nothing longer. I'm writing your question and his answer. Yes.
Can you tell this honorable court your schedule of activities in the course of your employment?
Can I tell the honorable court what, sir?
Your schedule of activities, your schedule of work.
My schedule of work. I was employed as a business development manager.
Yes. And tell the court your schedule.
And my role is simple. They are just in two ways. Retain the client, that the existing client that the company business has. That's one. Two, increase the number of businesses that is being done by the business, by the company. That is bringing more businesses. So those are my two roles, my two major roles.
Okay, so Mr. Badimu, you also so I can hear you as well.
I can't hear you well because it's still echoing back to me. That's why I said.
Okay, let me mute myself. Call of counsel, let me mute myself.
I need him to talk. I can hear you, but
okay. Can you hear me clearly now?
Perfect. It's perfect.
Okay, that's all right. So you agree that one of the documents that regulates your employment with the first defendant is the offer of employment letter dated 21st December 2021. That's Exhibit 1. Is that correct?
Correct.
It's correct. Do you have a copy of Exhibit 1 with you?
I have a copy.
You have a copy. Thank you. Is it correct? Can you tell this honorable court what the probationary period is or was by virtue of your contract of employment?
By virtue of the letter given to me, the probationary period is for 6 months only.
Okay. Can you read the third paragraph on the second page of that letter, which says probationary period? Can you read it out to the court, please?
Yeah. Yes. You will be on probation for a period of 6 months, after which your employment will be confirmed upon satisfactory performance.
Do you agree that your confirmation by this letter is upon satisfactory performance?
That is subjective, I believe, because if you say it's upon satisfactory performance, yes.
Mr. Obadimu, hold on. Let me tell you the rules of the game.
Yeah.
I ask the questions, you answer.
I'm answering
if you have any, hold on. We are not in, this is a law court. If you want to give further explanation, I would allow you. It's within your right or context to give whatever explanation, but you have to first answer my question, then you can go into whatever you want to go into. My question again, by this offer letter,
yeah,
do you agree that your probationary period is for a period of 6 months upon satisfactory performance? That's my question. Answer, then you can go on to say whatever subjective nature you want to subject it to.
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. Can you had told the court before we started that you have all the documents that were tendered in evidence. Can you show from all the, how many documents? All the 16 exhibits, that's including exhibit 14A, B, and C. Any document, letter, email from the defendants, that's the first defendant, where your employment was confirmed. Any document confirming your employment or referencing the confirmation of your appointment.
No document was issued for the confirmation because the defendant didn't do the needful for the confirmation. So
it is your
I don't
evidence.
have any document to show.
Hold on, Mr. Badimu. The court is right. You see, you run. I'm coming. I want to. You run the risk of losing context. Answer the question. Let the court write you down. Then offer your explanation. My lord did not hear what he said. My question again. Direct this honorable court to any letter, email, or document wherein your employment was confirmed.
There is no letter or email where the my employment was confirmed by the defendant. None. But
hold on. My lord got that. Okay, that's all right.
Now, that is due to the fact that the defendant didn't do what he was supposed to do. That was an appraisal to know if I've met or...
Lord, I'm sorry. Lord, before we go, a point of register. My witness. No, it's a witness. You have to stay outside. I'll call you right now.
Can I continue?
My lord, my lord has recorded your answer.
Okay.
Mr. Obadimu, in the course of, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, Obadimu, yes.
Yeah.
In the course of your employment with the first defendant,
yes,
and from a cursory look at all the litany of feisty emails exchanged between yourself and HR, as well as all the queries that were given to you, do you consider yourself a good staff of the first defendant?
I'm not aware of the several first emails that you said that the exchange of first email, because the only email exchange I and the HR had that I can say wasn't too palatable was the last email, and that HR was employed just a month before the termination.
Mr. Biden, you have not answered my question.
I would say I won't base.
My lord, I'm sorry, I don't know what my lord has recorded.
I won't base my performance or my character on let me put it that I won't base my character on an email that was sent 24 hours or 30 or some hours before my termination.
Mr. Obadimu, are you telling this honorable court that no query was issued to you in the course of employment?
You have listened to me. I never said no query.
Mr. Obadimu, I'm not meant to listen to you. You're not speaking to your subordinate here. You are in a witness box. Because you're in the confines of your home, wherever you are, does not mean you speak to me in that manner.
No, I'm not speaking to you.
No. I ask the questions, you answer. What do you mean by I should listen to you?
I said something earlier.
Mr. Obadimu, direct yourself accordingly. You're in the witness box.
Hold on. Witness.
Sir?
The question is, was any query issued to you?
Yes, sir. But he said, was that big that am I can I judge myself to be a good staff based on those email? That's what I was trying to answer him.
I don't know whether my lord has recorded the answer, so I can move on.
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Badimu, in the course of your employment with defendants, did you receive any email, letter, document, query?
Yes, answered.
I'm going on something else. Querying your lateness to work.
I received a mail querying my lateness to work. Yes.
Thank you.
And I've responded to it, sir.
Mr. Badimu. Okay, I'm sorry, brother.
Yes.
Mr. Badimu,
yes.
Did you receive any letter, documents, exchange of emails, email correspondence, query, complaining about your absenteeism from work?
I received, it's still the same email, and I responded to it. It's one email, and I responded to it.
Yes.
Mr. Badimu, can you please tell this honorable court if during the
Go on, go on.
my lord, I've not started. Well, Mr. Badimu,
Go
can you also tell this court if you received any document, letter, or email correspondence or query complaining about your conduct on the job?
Complaining about my what?
Your conduct, your unruly conduct as an employee of the first defendant.
Yes, I received a mail that was by the HR. That was 2 days to the termination of the employment. I think a day before the termination of the employment, titled gross misconduct. And that was the only mail. And I've responded to it also. And that doesn't justify that I did something because I received a query. It doesn't mean I've done it. It's a query. And
Mr. Badimu, my question was very clear.
Yeah.
I said, did you receive any documents? And you have answered me. I will come to justification when I get there. Just calm down. It's cross-examination. We are going to town on this. Yes, Mr. Badimu, can you tell me the relationship between Gabriel Badimu, Novocar Rentals, and Cashlink PLC? So that the court can note the question. That's Gabriel Badimu, that's the claimant, the first defendant, Cashlink PLC, sir. And the second defendant, if I can put that in the notes, and the second defendant. Can you tell me the relationship between them? If you don't know, you can say you don't know.
Gabriel Badimu was an employee of Novocar Rentals. That's all I can say.
That's all you can say, or that's all you can say, or that is all you know.
That's all I know, because that's the thing. I'm just an employee because on my letter of employment is Novo.
In the course, can I go, madam? In the course of your employment, did you carry on activities for Cashlink PLC? You may want to consider your answer very well.
What did you say, please?
In the course of your employment, Did you carry on activities for and on behalf of Cash Link PLC?
I carry out activities for Novo Car Rentals. And
Mr. Obadimo,
hold on,
answer my
hold
question.
on, I'm answering you.
No, don't badger me. Let me.
I'm answering you.
No. You cannot say that is not my question. My question is direct. You've answered that your employer is Novo Car Rentals. I query not with that. My question, and I think it's a yes or no question. Did you, Gabriel Obadimo, carry on activities for Novo Car Rentals? I did not ask you about Cash Link. I didn't ask you about Novo Car Rentals.
I'm saying, and
Hold on. So did you? I didn't get the last.
Did you carry on any activities for Novo Car Rentals, for Cash Link PLC? That's my question. It has nothing to do with Novo Car Rentals.
Now, I carried out activities for Novo Car Rentals. One, I wouldn't. It depends. Novo Car Rentals.
I have not asked you about Novo Car Rentals.
Please. You can't force words into my mouth, please. Now, what I'm trying to say, Novo can have a relationship with CashLink, but everything I did was for Novo. It could be on behalf of CashLink, I wouldn't know. But everything, because in my letter of employment, it says that I can, in the course of my employment, I was made to understand that I can be given assignments or told to do some things on behalf of the company. So Novo is, everything I did was for Novo.
No, at this stage, they haven't.
My lord, I'm sorry, I have not answered this.
I will intervene.
It's not a party to this case.
Okay.
I don't understand.
Please go. He has answered your question. I will go to another
No, yes,
question.
my lord, he's answered my question. He was just saying his own, that's why I kept quiet. I wanted him to. Can I have the document? I have my own, but I want to refer to the exhibit. I think I'm trying to. Mr. Obadimo,
Yes.
exhibit 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, then 14, A to C. Do you agree that all those, I don't know if my lord got all this before. Do you agree that all those exchange of emails were between yourself and officers of Cash Link PLC?
I know them.
Your own document.
I know them as my colleagues in Novo.
Yeah. Oh, they are your colleagues. Oh, fantastic.
Novo.
My
So
lord,
I
is
don't know
evidence
them.
that their colleagues are Novo.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. You've been very cooperative. Good answer. Yes. Your employment was terminated via exhibit 2. Is that correct?
I didn't get that. My employment was terminated via what?
Exhibit 2. That's the letter of 1st of March 2023.
Yes.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you read paragraph 2 of that letter? If you have it with you.
A review of your performance and productivity over the last 3 months shows your performance could have been better with no achievement of the KPIs for your role.
Go to the next, read the next paragraph.
Despite repeated verbal and memo feedback on the failure to meet the core demands of your role over time, there has yet to be any improvement. This has cost the company so much regarding numerous service failures, reputation damage, and avoidable financial loss.
So, from your understanding of this letter,
Yes.
these two paragraphs you read,
Yeah.
are those the reasons the company gave for your termination?
Are those the reason?
Are those the reasons given by the first defendant for the termination of your employment?
Yes, because in the next paragraph, it says in view of the above.
Answer my question. Yes, let's start with answering my question. I said, and I framed my question. My Lord has noted that you said yes. In the course of your employment, was an official vehicle given to you?
Was an official vehicle given to me?
Yes.
Yes.
Was the official vehicle damaged in your custody whilst it was with you?
Official vehicle damaged?
Was it damaged at any time when you had it with you?
There was an accident at a point.
There was an accident at a point.
Yeah. And it was reported to the police station. And it was reported to the office. But I was even the one that paid. Despite the fact that it wasn't my fault, because the client, the staffs of the defendant were there when it happened. It was
Lord,
so
it is his testimony that there was an accident and he reported it.
And the staff of the company were there.
I'm moving on to the next question.
Yes.
Mr. Obatimu, in the course of your work or carrying on your role as a business development executive, was there any complaint levied against you for loss of business attributable to you? Was there any complaints, either written, verbal, formal, email, query, on loss of business attributable to you?
There was one, and that's what led
Lord,
to
there
the
was
termination, and which was unjustifiably done.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yes. Do you confirm that upon receipt of your termination of employment, you were asked formally to return all company properties in your possession?
Yes, and I was given 2 weeks to do that.
You are given 2 weeks to return it. Fantastic.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you return the properties within 2 weeks? Answer my question, Mr. Badim. Did you, Gabriel Obadimu, return? Hold on. Did you, Gabriel Obadimu, return those properties within 2 weeks? You can. It's a yes or no answer. If you now want to start explaining that, up to you.
I just answered that I didn't return the properties in.
Oh, thank you. I didn't hear you. You know, this thing is lagging. Sorry about that.
What did you say?
I said I did not hear that you said you did not return it. I was apologizing. I didn't hear you.
Okay.
I hear
I hope I'm not shouting too much, because you know the way it is. I hope I'm not shouting too much.
Don't worry, we can hear you. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Badimu.
Yes.
When you were asked to return the company's properties, were they still within your possession?
Definitely, yes.
You have complained about a petition that was written to the police,
Yes.
wherein a report was made to the Nigerian police for the recovery of the vehicle that was assigned with you.
I'm sorry, the petition didn't say the vehicle was assigned to me. The petition said I stole the vehicle.
Are you aware? So let me rephrase it to include what you want to hear. Are you aware that a petition was written to the Nigerian police in respect of the vehicle assigned to you?
I'm aware of I'm aware of a fictitious petition that I stole a vehicle, not the vehicle was assigned to me. Because the petition was silent that the vehicle was assigned to me. The petition said I stole the vehicle. So there are two different things.
No, don't worry. It speaks for itself. Don't worry. I'll read it out to you. I don't ask questions I don't have answers to. What was the date of that petition? It's Exhibit 15.
I don't have that copy here, but I can read the one I snapped on my phone because I snapped it then. Let me just take my phone. Sir, can I go on my phone?
Well, why not? Go retrieve the document. I believe we're talking. This is the document. So that look at the screen. Yeah,
I know. I'm trying because when you say I should read. I don't have it to read.
This document, let me help you. I can suggest answers to you since you're under cross. This document was received by the Nigerian police on the 19th of April 2023.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
As at this date, oh, sorry, my lord. What is about this? The 19th of April. Join the 2023, my lord. As at this date,
yes,
was the vehicle back was the vehicle back in possession of the first defendant?
As of that date, the issue of that vehicle has been tendered in the court.
No, that's not my question.
Hold on, please. Hold on, please.
No, you cannot hold. No,
it has become a subject. It has become a subject of.
Mr. Padimon, will you hold on? Two people cannot speak. This is the court of law. We are not in your house. My question is this: you can offer explanations. As at the 19th of April, was this vehicle still in your custody? Answer. If you don't have any explanation, then my lord, if you want to entertain you, entertain you.
Sir, as of 19th of April, the vehicle was still with me, but it has been tendered. It was supposed to be part of the evidences before the law court because they have filed this suit about 2 weeks before then. And in the suit I filed, the vehicle and other company properties that were with me were supposed to be tendered as evidences.
Fantastic. Mr. Badimo, when did you serve the defendants of this with this action, with the originating processes in this action?
Like you are aware,
I'm not aware. You are the one. It is your case. I cannot be aware. Do your case yourself.
You are aware because it's part of the evidences that you were given. The defendant will have given you the letter. I don't know the exhibit number, sir, but the letter that was written by my lawyer to the defendant, I think on the 11th of April, stated, as at that time, they went to Morocco police station to report.
Mr. You see,
was well stated
help me. How did you dance around the bush? You've not answered my question. I don't know whether my lord has recorded anything in this instance, because I also, just for the court to guide me, because it's very, as at the date of the 19th of April, 2013, you yourself, you said you had filed an action and all that. That is the evidence.
Yeah, and it has been served on you. It has been served on the defendant.
Yeah, that's. I'm going to leave background for you. So in case you said he said he had filed an action. I said he was what? Let's go back. Okay, my lord, when did you serve the defendant with this action that you said you filed?
The defendant I don't know the day the court served
You don't
them.
know the day,
But
that's fine.
we served them, hold on. We served them on the 11th of April, which is about 8 days before that petition was sent to the Nigerian police.
Thank you very much. Yeah, let's internet. Can you see and hear me, Mr. Badimu?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Volume was low.
Mr. Counsel, I can hear you.
Okay. I'm sorry, my lord. I just have like 2 or 3 more questions. That's the difference. Mr. Obadimu, are you aware that the defendants had a lateness policy? Lateness policy.
I am aware
Lateness.
because I was given the lateness policy 3 days after my resumption during my induction into the company.
I don't know if my lord had what he said. He said he was given a lateness policy.
I said, yes, I'm aware because...
No, hold on. I was only echoing your answer to the courts.
Okay.
I'm not querying your response.
Okay.
We're not fighting, Mr. Badimu. Mr. Badimu, are you aware that so before I get there, are you aware that you signed for that lateness policy? You acknowledge receipt of that lateness policy. Is it correct that you signed for it and you acknowledge?
I acknowledge the receipt of the lateness policy, yes, on the 3rd of February.
Thank you very much.
2 days after I resumed.
Are you aware that that lateness policy that you signed for and acknowledged is for Cash Link PLC?
I'm not aware, except you bring it up again.
You said what?
I can't remember, but I know I signed for the lateness policy.
If you can't remember, it's fine. Thank you. Mr. Badimu, Oh, sorry, sir. Are you also aware that at the time you resumed your employment with the defendants, several documents were handed over to you as part of the employment package? Is that correct?
When you said several documents, you need to be specific, please.
Or maybe you should tell the court the documents that were handed over to you, since you said it was handed over to you when you resumed. So tell the court the documents that were handed over to you when you resumed.
There was no handover document. The only thing we were given during the induction was the policies of the companies to sign. And I signed them, and I know they will be in my file.
Oh, you are given a policy and you signed that policy?
Some policies were given during induction. During the induction.
It is evidence that some policies were given to me. I have no further questions. That's even what I was waiting for. Most grateful, my lord. It is evidence that some policies were handed over to you. Take care of this.
All documents that were handed over, I signed.
My lord, that will be all for the defendants for this witness.
Okay.
I thank the court for the 40 minutes indulgence. I did not take it for granted. Ask for this. That's
My Lord, none. I'm grateful. Questions in the examination. I was hoping that the geology would have been able to you understand the magnitude of the you will be just from here and the guy can see what I don't be contending with. So in terms of general My Lord, those who understand the schedule of the court, we will take the 21st of January.
I can't hear anything.
I don't know if my brother will start this case is where
My Lord, I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything, sir. I can't hear anything. You're mute.
You are here by discharge.
Sir?
So thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So you can go about your business. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Gentlemen, I thank you for your efforts. Yes. Registrar. Hold on. Hold on a second. Yeah. You have to fix this. We shall be judged. It's to respect the relative language. So that we might shall be the true from as the secretary of the university. Leading true from the office always has this. Call that case of the learner city. That's one of the that is the one. Where is it? The council is there. Call the case. Maybe the next one is case of number 19 is like 13.